Hey, I'm Conan Robinson. I'm one of the co-owners of the Pizza Pub, along with Jess McMullen, Tina Bone, and Ray McFadden. I live in Park Hill, which is this neighborhood that's right behind us. I've lived here for 20 years. I was approached by a friend of mine to go into business with him over here. Didn't seem like the right thing for us to do at the time, but I just couldn't get it off my mind just because I love Park Hill so much and really wanted to establish a cool spot over here for the neighborhood to go to. So that's when I went next door to Brood Barley and talked to Jess, and Jess was like, I'm all in. And so that's, kind of how it all started. It's all our recipes. We're doing what we call a pub style pizza, which is a little different style than you can find anywhere in Central Arkansas. We're constantly listening to what people in this neighborhood want and what makes them want to come out and have this experience. We're just trying to anchor ourselves in the community over here. Also a fun place to come hang out and socialize, watch some football, throw darts, and have some drinks.